but your win is funny. Cause when I wanted to end it, no success felt like I'm finished. But my friend with the other percentage said, let's go get this money. People really care about how I feel, and it's real. Cause I put the middle finger to a major record deal for this independent.
Uh-oh. Commercial. Welcome back, Team TWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all already know what time it is. It's like 10 a.m. Sunday, 10 a.m. Saturday, 6 p.m. Wednesdays. Those are the times to come looking for you, boy, because you know it's another day in paradise. Shout out to having that consistent schedule, so if your algorithm tries to fall off, I'm still producing my content at said times. Good morning to Unbiased. Good to see you. How you doing? You know, I'm sitting here rolling up, getting this ready to go, because, you know, we got videos and a whole bunch of things to do today. Shouts out to your favorite indoor garden consultant, because, hell, we going to show you what these wet plenties is looking like for May. What? What? How did you skip out on the rest of the song on me? I don't even want to hear Basket Case. See, that's exactly why I wasn't finna be listening to music all day. But, it's a good thing we gotta buy me a coffee because we ain't worried about YouTube telling us we ain't monetized for this video. Hell, I can do what I want. Shout out to the way my buy me your coffee set up. If y'all didn't see yesterday's video, y'all should go back and watch it. It's an expert class on making sure you monetized because we about that around here. You dig? Hey, I can't thrive in an environment where I'm not getting money. Yeah, but that's another story for other people. Let's see. Let's get these videos on here because you know how we do. We ain't gonna hold you up all day. It is Sunday morning for some of y'all, so you know, replay gang love the videos though. So shouts out to the replay gang. Make sure y'all come back later on when you actually got time to chill with your boy. But in other words, you know, get your networking in if you networking because we network 24/7. So you know, I always create opportunities. Shout out to y'all for taking said opportunities. That's why you got them wrenches. Shout out to the Bud Files. Appreciate seeing Sue making her rounds this morning on these YouTube streets. Appreciate that. And then for the people on Rumble, you know, I appreciate y'all putting up with me because, you know, it takes a it takes a little bit to get the YouTube video set up and they just listening to music the whole time. So, you know, hopefully they vibing. uh, get shit out of the shot.
Pick a strain, whatever you want, you can get. Indica sativa, never rolling plain Jane. I know some people, if you want, drive 50, we ain't gon' cop any. Little mama got plenty, so many strain, puffing the flame, nothing but dro. One for the brain, one for the body, one for the soul. Running with strange, keeping the party under control. Up, away, flying, how far are we gonna go? Smoke team in the building, got 'em, is what the deal is. Recognize, coming with Burns, Felix with Filming County Boy, got the liquor. Castle was on the fader, Stevie came with the greenery, mixing multiple flavors, whatever you want. Tell me when to say when. How about you and your friends? Come get with me and my friends and keep it real with me, girl. I don't want to pretend like this is a new thing. Really, that's what it's been like.
And of course, y'all know today is May the 4th be with you. It's a Star Wars reference, but you know, it's also the day before I set up my business. So shout out to me. Cinco de Mayo and May the 4th are two celebrated holidays for the company. So, you know, we rock with them. Shout out to the Star Wars display. This was a video that somebody else did. But you know, we like to review these. So, boom, there we go. Okay, twist two, right? I know what we gonna do.